You're telling me you made this in the lab?
Why not? Making it in his own lab seemed appropriate.
There's not much of it. We had more for Tuco.
It's enough. This is still the best way. You go after him with a gun, you'll never get out of it alive. But with this, you slip it into his food or drink. There shouldn't be any taste or smell. 36 hours later, poof. A man his age, working as hard as he does, no one will be surprised.
What about Mike?
Mike can have his suspicions, but that's all they'll be. Please, one homicidal maniac at a time.
I don't even know when I'm going to see Gus again. I mean, if ever.
Keep it with you. When you have the opportunity, be ready.
What if they search me?
Will they do that? It's wrong way around.
It's my lucky cigarette.
Well, whatever you do, don't smoke it.
You know they have a drive-thru, right?
Nah, this is good. Use the exercise. Get the blood pumping. Don't worry. You're not gonna have to pick me up. It might take me a while, but I'll get there. Jesus, ain't we a pair?
You must really like chicken. V8, 470 horses, 20-inch rims, satellite radio, Bluetooth, 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds.
Whoa. What do you mean, on a lark? Spur of the moment, your dad just up and buys you a brand new Challenger?
Yeah. I barely got around the block, and Mom said we couldn't afford it, so they took it back. Do you know how long I had it? 15 hours.
Well, hey, buddy, let me tell you something. When I was your age, I'd give him my left nut to drive a car like that for 15 minutes. Seriously, how does that happen?
Well, we were looking at used cars, and I kind of...
You guilted him into it. Yeah, I know. I hear you. You pulled the old, poor little me and my little troubles. Am I right?
Maybe.
Well, you flew too close to the sun, my friend. You'd have let him buy you a clunker. You'd be driving now instead of borrowing Mom's hoopty.
Agent Schrader.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Well, thank you.
Good to see you. Walter Jr., do you remember Mr. Frank?
How are you?
Well, nice to see you again. It's a pleasure to see you here. You're looking very well.
Yeah, well, you know, chalk it up to clean living and vitamin pills.
I must apologize. If I had seen you come in, there would have been no question of accepting your money. In the future, please feel free to ask for me. A DEA hero should never have to pay for a meal at Pollos Hermanos.
No kidding? Well, I'll take you up on that for sure.
And how are your mother and father?
They're good. The chicken is great.
Thank you. If ever you're interested in rewarding part-time work, perhaps something after school, my door is always open.
Sounds good.
I don't know about this one. He might eat up all your profits.
Well, I'll let you finish your meal. Can I get you anything else? A refill, perhaps?
No, thank you. I'm good.
Sure. Take a Diet Coke. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Where are we going?
Big doings today. The order of the day is eyes open, mouth shut.
What's up? Test. Test. You got me? Count off. Let's go.
Right here. Leave the wrap on, please.
You know how to make coffee?
Sure.
There you go. You want a rundown?
Please.
3 guys up at the gate, 2 visible, 1 in the blind. We got 5 guys down here with a backup out of sight. We got Tyrus down in the tree line with a bear at 50. Landed him there last night in case we have any early arrivals. I don't have an extra holster. You stick this in your pocket, keep it out of sight. You're gonna be here today, you're gonna have a gun.
It's loaded.
I don't want to see that in your hand unless you see me with mine. Understood? Emergency only. First car is coming. All right, what's the order of the day?
Eyes open, mouth shut.